It's humming. Just gotta tie this all up. Alright. And the graphics card is spinning. Nice.
Ooh, Daddy! What is this?
Sophie! Sophie, you have to give it a name, okay? Libby, don't press enter. Sophie, you gotta type a name.
Bro, I wanna...
What name are you gonna give it? Think of it.
I didn't make a device.
Yep. You have a very important decision to make here. You need to name your device.
Name your device?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, did you actually like finish this thing in one day?
I did. Pretty good, huh?
Okay, now you gotta get me like a
You
new
impressed?
PC box and like, bro, I need a new computer like this.
All right. Sounds good.
Allie's dad got Allie like 2 monitors.
2 monitors?
Yeah, two monitors.
Really?
They were like, I'm pretty sure they
What
were
a
like
shame.
well, I mean, they were hand-me-downs, so they're not.
Oh, okay.
But Rizzler?
I don't know.
Bro, you should do it, Rizzler.
Alright, I'm gonna put the 8 hours later sound, okay?
8 hours later.
8 hours later. Okay. Let's see what Sophie has chosen. You named your device Rosemer. That is a name fitting for a very powerful. Olivia, do not trip over any of that stuff, okay?
Yeah, but this is shortest.
I know it's the shortest route, but it's not the most careful route, okay? Oh my gosh. Okay. I guess there's cables on both sides.
Yeah, and that one's easier to hobble.
Alright. You want to look at all the sides of it? Okay. Ooh.
Bro!
So if you do not trip over these cables, okay?
It's a rainbow me mango. There's a fan going on. Bro, this looks so cool.
I can't go over this.
You can go over, just don't trip. Okay, here, hold my hand.
I need
Oh,
one of these
I
things
know what the
now.
rainbow thing is.
Yeah. They're called RGB lights.
Yeah, bro.
But it also has memory stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it working right now?
Say bye to your channel. Say thanks world for all this technology. Go.
I've been saying this like every day almost. But okay, like and subscribe everyone, hit the bell, and this is super boring because I always say this every time. And,
It's only boring if you say it's boring.
and I hope you comment how this computer looks right here.
Okay. Cool.
Rainbowy thing.
Alright, come click next on your Rosemer name. Wait, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Grab my hand. There you go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, pick next. That's it. I'm gonna call you Rosemer for forever now. Why did it turn off?
All I did was just press next.
You did. Did you say the name out loud? You're supposed to say the name out loud.
Bro, Daddy.
What? Why you bro dadding me?
Rosemary.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, look, it turned on because you said the name. See?
Oh, come on, bro.
What? I need you to screw them on right here and right there. Okay?
Right there?
Right there. You see these brass looking? Yep. Let's go. Other way. Wrong way, bro. Oh, other way. There you go. No, you don't jam it in. You gotta twist it in. Right here. Yep. Not too tight. Hey, see, you got bunny ears now. Okay, now do the other one. Good job. Thanks for helping me. Okay, Sophie. Screen time still applies though, okay? You gotta make sure you earn screen time. You know this box of like leftover boxes. What do you think of it, Soph? You like your birthday gift?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna thank mommy and daddy for it?
Very much.
Alright. Thank you, bro. You're welcome, bro. That's what it looks like under my daughter's desk. Look at it, bro. Isn't it cool? You can. There's a little button right here. Oh! See it? It's next to the line. There it is. Press it again. Whoa! That's cool. Nice. Very cool.